A key part of building a Forge app is the app manifest. In this video, I'm going to explain what a Forge app manifest is and why it's important. An app manifest is like an architectural plan for a building. An architectural plan defines the features of a building, such as the rooms and other spaces. Similarly, an app manifest outlines the features and capabilities of an app. Architectural plans specify certain aspects about the construction of a building, such as the plumbing and the electrical details, and the materials that will be used. Similarly, an app manifest defines source code entry points and choices about how functionality is implemented. Architectural plans need to explain how a building will comply with local regulations, such as building codes and zoning laws. Similarly, an app manifest defines the permissions that the app requires so that administrators have visibility into what the app can do to ensure it will comply with their policies. Let's walk through the manifest of the Forge app that is being used for this presentation. I'll relate each section of the manifest to the conceptual architecture of Forge that I presented in the previous video. At its heart, Forge is a functions-as-a-service platform, and this is how the app declares its functions that Forge can invoke. UI modules define the user interface components of the app. They are used to render content in apps such as Confluence and Jira. UI resolvers define the wiring between an app's user interface and its backend. So in this example, the app's code within the Jira global page can call the global page function handler. The triggers section of the manifest defines the events the app listens to. In this case, the app is listening to events that are fired whenever an issue is updated. The app runtime defines the version of the runtime that Forge will use when executing your app's functions. The app ID identifies the app and where it is installed. It's used to manage the app in the Forge platform. This app needs to be able to read and write to Jira work items so it can demonstrate certain features. It also declares the read Jira user permission in order to be able to present the current user's name and avatar on the presentation's title slide. The Forge storage permission allows the app to store data using the Forge storage API. And lastly, this external fetch permission allows the app to invoke the Unsplash API to retrieve images for certain slides. So whenever you see a photo on a slide, it's being retrieved dynamically from Unsplash. So hopefully now you have a better understanding of what a Forge app manifest is and why it's important. If you're ready to get started, try Forge out today by visiting the URL on this screen.